Tired of greasy, flat hair between wash days? I've got the perfect solution for you. This is the Back to Naturalness Dry Shampoo Powder, and it's a total game changer for both men and women. Made with amazing natural ingredients, this powder works wonders on all hair types. It's fantastic for refreshing your hair, instantly soaking up any oil and grease, and giving you a serious volume boost. Just a little sprinkle at the roots, a quick massage, and voila. Your hair looks and feels freshly washed. It comes in a generous 3.5-ounce jar, and you can choose between scented or unscented versions to fit your preference. Whether you need a quick refresh after the gym or want to extend your blowout, this is your new go-to. Ready to transform your hair game? You can find Back to Naturalness Dry Shampoo on Walmart.com, Amazon, or directly at backtonaturalness.com. Give your hair the natural refresh it deserves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.